there and welcome to my channel. And today I would like to show you how to crochet the very beautiful Sunburst granny square. I am making a beautiful blanket out of this one, but you can use these for a lot of different projects like beautiful sweaters and pillows and a lot more. We are going to be using some different types of stitches like double crochet, puff stitches and cluster stitches and treble crochet. But if you are new to crocheting, I will go through all of these types of stitches very thoroughly in this video so everyone can join. So let's just get started. For this project, we are going to use these 4 different colors of yarn, and I am using Drops Merino Extra Fine. We will also need a crochet hook. I am using a 4.5mm crochet hook, and we will need some scissors and a darning needle. To begin, we are going to make a slip knot. So I'm going to form a loop and put my working yarn behind the loop, grab my working yarn with my crochet hook, and pull the knot tight. Then I'm going to make 4 chains. And to make a chain, I'm going to yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. That was 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to join these 4 chains to make a small circle that I will be working my stitches into. And to do that, I'm going to make a slip knot into the first chain. And I'm going to grab the yarn and pull it through and pull through the loop on the hook. So now I have this small circle here. To start the first round, I'm going to make 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. And these 3 chains will count as the first double crochet of the round. Now I'm going to make 15 more double crochet into the circle. And to make a double crochet, I'm going to yarn over and insert my hook into the circle, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And I will just continue all the way around till I have 16 double crochet stitches, including the 3 chains that count as a double crochet. And here at the end of the round, I'm going to join with a slip stitch into the 3rd of the chain 3. So I will insert my hook, pull up a loop, and pull through the loop on the hook. And here is my first round complete. And I'm just going to fasten off my yarn to attach a new color. And to attach the new color, I'm just going to insert my hook into one of the stitches here from the back side, and I will just pull my yarn through like that and tie a knot. And to begin round 2, I'm going to insert my hook into the stitch and pull through, and I will start with making 2 chains, 1 and 2. And for round 2, we are going to make 16 puff stitches all the way around. And to make a puff stitch, we are going to yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, and pull it a bit long. And again, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, and pull up a loop. So I'm inserting 3 times into the stitch, and I have 7 loops on the hook. So I'm going to yarn over one last time and pull through 6 loops. Then I will yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. And I will chain 1. And into the next stitch I will do the same thing. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop 2 times, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop 3 times. So I have 7 loops on the hook. I will yarn over and pull through 6, yarn over again and pull through the last 2. And I will make a chain. And I will just continue this way all the way around. And when we get to the point where I have my yarn tail here from the previous round, I'm just going to hide it behind the stitch, like that. And I'm going to join the round with a slip stitch into the first stitch here. And I will fasten off my yarn to attach a new color. And I will just insert my hook into one of the chain spaces here and pull my yarn through. And I will tie a knot. And to start round 3, I will just insert my hook and pull my yarn through. And I will make 2 chains, 1 and 2. And here for round 2 we are going to make 16 cluster stitches all the way around. So into every chain space we will make a cluster stitch. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So I have 3 loops on the hook. I will yarn over one last time and pull through all 3 loops. And for the first stitch here, I will only crochet 2 stitches together because I already have these 2 chains that will count as the first stitch. So to make the next stitch, I will chain 2. And into the next stitch, I'm going to crochet 3 double crochet together. So I will yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And one last time, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So now I have 4 loops on the hook. I will yarn over one last time and pull through all 4 loops. And I will chain 2. And I will do the same thing all the way around into every chain space. And again, I'm going to hide the yarn tail from the previous round behind the stitch. And here at the end, I'm going to join with a slip stitch into the first stitch here. And I'm going to fasten off my yarn. And for round 4, we are going to turn this little circle into a square. So I'm going to attach the yarn into any of the chain spaces. And to turn this little circle into a square, we are going to make some corners. And I'm going to start with making the first corner. So I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this chain 4 will count as the first treble crochet of the round. And I'm going to make 2 more treble crochet into the same chain space. So I'm going to yarn over twice and insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops again. And again, yarn over twice, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So here I have 3 trebles that will make the first half of this first corner. Then I will chain 1. And into this next chain space, I'm going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And again, chain 1 and make 3 double crochet into the next chain space. And chain 1 and 3 double crochet into the next chain space. And again, chain 1. And into this next chain space, I will make the next corner. So I will again yarn over twice and make 3 trebles. 1, 2, and 3. And to make the corner, I will chain 2. And I will again make 3 trebles into that same chain space. Again, chain 1. And into these next 3 chain spaces, I will make 3 double crochet into each. And chain 1 in between. Again, I will make a corner, so I will make 3 trebles into the next chain space. Chain 2 and 3 more trebles into the same chain space. Chain 1 and make 3 double crochet into the next 3 chain spaces. And remember to make a chain in between. and we will just again hide the yarn tail here behind the stitch. And chain 1, and again we will make a corner just like we did before, so we will make 3 trebles. And again 2 chains to make the corner. And again 3 trebles into the same chain space. Chain 1, and again I will make 3 double crochet into the next 3 chain spaces. And a chain 1 in between. And to complete this first corner here, I am going to make 3 more trebles into the same chain space. And to make the corner, I will chain 2, and I'm going to end this round with a slip stitch into the 4th of the chain 4. And I will fasten off my yarn. And I'm now ready to sew in all of my ends here on the back side. So I'm just going to weave my ends back and forth to make it very secure. And there we go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a like. That would really make my day. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.